Today we're gonna make a crispy rice salad with marinated jumbo lump crab. So cook your rice. I prefer jasmine. I also like if the rice is a little warm. If it's ice cold, then it won't stick how I want it to stick. 1 egg, and you just wanna beat it a little. Unsweetened coconut. I use red curry paste here. There's so much flavor packed into this. And I'm gonna add some lime leaves, shaved very fine, very much like lime without the acid. Some salt, our egg. The egg is gonna help hold that rice together. You are going to press. Make a few balls here. I'm gonna get my fryer up to 350 and I just lay it in there. But just so that I don't splash instead of just throwing it in, my crispy rice is done. And we use the rack here. The oil drips through, keeps everything really, really crispy. Okay, let's make our vinaigrette. Some lime juice and fish sauce. It's the ultimate umami. So I'm gonna add in sugar. And quite a bit of sugar, I know. A little bit of chicken bouillon. Give it a mix, just a little MSG. Okay, listen, don't like it, don't use it. No need to go crazy, but like it adds flavor. So we're gonna put a little bit of that. All I wanna do is dissolve all of the sugar. You want to have lots of herb. It's kind of replacing the lettuce in a way. So lots of fresh mint. Other countries use so much more of the herb and I am down with it. Some cilantro. All of this is used. Green onion. Make it herby. I want the rice balls to be more bite-sized. So we're gonna crush it up and that way you get a little bit of the crispy on the outside and you get that softness in the inside. You can let them sit for a little while and they're still gonna be really crispy as long as you don't put them in the refrigerator right away. You hear that? Like, it's crunchy. I'm gonna mix up all of this. I'm just saving her for a snack later. Now it's time to add julienne, ginger, toasted peanuts, some red onion that we just sliced really thin. Reserve some of those peanuts to put on top. Take a little bit of that vinaigrette and spoon that right over the crab. We'll put half, we'll taste it, and then if we want more, we'll add more. Let's see here. I want more. So this can sit like this for a little bit of time too. And we're gonna just put that in here. This is fresh jumbo lump blue crab with a little bit of that vinaigrette. Take some of that peanuts that I reserved and just sprinkle that right on top. And I like just a little bit of green onion on top. These are some of our chili de arbol that we fry up. They're really crunchy. And I will do like that and give it a little crispiness. Take some lettuce, give yourself a nice big bowl. That's for grown folks right there. Man, this right here is a true beauty.